Firefox. Firefox is one of the few major browsers that doesn't rely on Chromium. Developed by Mozilla, it uses its own Gecko engine and puts a strong emphasis on user choice and customization. Over the years, it has built a loyal following thanks to its flexibility, rich extension ecosystem, and commitment to keeping the web from becoming completely dominated by a single browser engine. Brave takes Chromium and adds a heavy focus on privacy right out of the box. It blocks ads and trackers by default, making websites faster and cleaner without requiring extra extensions. Although some of its optional features, like cryptocurrency rewards, can be divisive, Brave has become a popular choice for users who want better privacy without changing the way they browse. LibreWolf is essentially Firefox with all the unnecessary extras stripped away. Telemetry is disabled, privacy settings are tightened, and many tracking mechanisms are blocked by default. It sacrifices a bit of convenience in exchange for stronger privacy, making it a favorite among users who want a more hardened browsing experience. Tor browser is designed for anonymity rather than speed. Based on Firefox, it routes your traffic through the Tor network, making it much harder for websites, internet providers, or governments to track your activity. While it can feel slower than traditional browsers, it's widely considered one of the most powerful tools available for protecting online privacy. Speaking of privacy, protecting your browsing habits is one thing, but protecting your money when something actually goes wrong is a completely different challenge. That's where today's sponsor, Coverin, comes in. Scams today don't look suspicious anymore. They look like your bank, a delivery notification, or a payment confirmation, and even careful people get caught. The money can be gone in minutes, and most people have no real way to get it back. Coverin changes that. It monitors your accounts and personal data and alerts you early when something doesn't look right. But the part most tools skip is what happens after. If you do lose money, Coverin provides financial protection. Up to $1 million for identity theft recovery costs, up to $10,000 if you lose money to scams or online fraud, and up to $50,000 if you're targeted with cyber extortion. Plus, if you need to recover, you get real people guiding you through the whole process, not just an app pointing you in a direction. It's not just about staying safe online. It's about making sure that if something goes wrong, you're not the one left paying for it. Now, one scam can cost you everything. Click on the link in my description box, use code PiwPiew for up to 76% off. Now back to the browsers. Mullvad Browser, created in collaboration with the Tor project, Mullvad Browser focuses on reducing browser fingerprinting rather than routing traffic through the Tor network. Its goal is to make every user look as similar as possible, making tracking much harder. It combines many of Tor browser's privacy techniques with the speed and simplicity of a regular browser. Floorpy is a Firefox-based browser that puts customization front and center. It includes features like workspaces, sidebars, and extensive interface tweaks that power users will appreciate. While it stays compatible with Firefox extensions, it offers a more productivity-focused experience for people who like to tailor every part of their browser. Zen Browser is a relatively new Firefox fork that aims to modernize the browsing experience. Inspired by browsers like Arc, it features vertical tabs, workspaces, and a sleek interface that feels very different from traditional browsers. It has quickly gained attention among users looking for a fresh design without giving up Firefox's flexibility. Waterfox started as a performance-focused Firefox fork and has evolved into a browser that prioritizes customization and user freedom. It maintains support for features and options that have disappeared from mainstream Firefox releases, making it appealing to longtime Firefox users who prefer a more traditional browsing experience.